Hello again. What did I hear yesterday? Well, there was a segment on Fox News on Judge Janine's show, and I made mention of this briefly yesterday in one of my videos. What had me somewhat disturbed, and it should also disturb you, is that Congressman Chaffetz had said that some of the documents that they received appear to have been redacted. Now what's interesting is that he said they have the exact same document with different information on it. You'd have to wonder how that could be. And I made mention of that as well earlier. But what I found most interesting is that the congressman also said that there's a federal judge that was asked to put certain dates, like 2037, before certain documents can be released. Well, how insane is it that they would, number one, ask for something like that, and number two, that any federal judge would comply with it? Why would they want to push it out so many years? Well, I gotta believe one of the reasons is that the people that would be implicated might no longer be with us at that point. You'd have to wonder, if you recall when Kennedy was assassinated, that was over 50 years ago. There's still information that's been sealed. Why would any information be sealed? The federal judges need to remember who they work for, as does the Supreme Court. But that's not the case. What they work for are the people in power that make the requests to have this kind of information locked up and sealed. No different than the information that Elena Kagan was able to lock up and have sealed by the law firm that the Attorney General Eric H. Holder was a partner in. Why in the world would any information be sealed on any key political figure? And at the same time, the government, knows everything about all of us through NSA, through IRS, through CIA, through FBI. Do you believe that that's sort of equitable? Because, like, I don't. No documents should be allowed to be sealed that affect or can affect the American people. There's really something wrong when the power brokers recognize that they can do whatever they want. And they know that they really, in their own hearts, don't work for us. We all work for them. It's our tax dollars that allow them to do what they do to us. Does this seem equitable to you? Do you not think that there has to be some changes made? A whole lot of changes. If you're a viewer of mine, you'll know my position on Congress, on the Supreme Court, and on the usurper. Will any of it change? Probably not. Sadly. But probably not. They're too well entrenched. That's what I think. So what do you think? You think you can make an impact? You think that Supreme Court justices will rule on the law, not on party affiliation? You think that Congress can be made to work? I don't. Do you?